The history and recipe of fish tacos in lettuce wraps. History of fish tacos in lettuce wraps. Fish tacos have deep roots in Mexican coastal cuisine, especially in the Baja California region, where fresh fish, handmade tortillas, and vibrant toppings define this street food staple. Origins of fish tacos, California, Mexico. The Baja-style fish taco is believed to have originated in Ensenada or San Felipe, influenced by Spanish, Indigenous, and Asian culinary traditions. Spanish colonists introduced wheat flour and frying techniques, while Indigenous Mexicans used corn tortillas and fresh seafood. Asian immigrants, mainly from Japan and China, in Baja influenced tempura-style battered fish preparation. Evolution into lettuce wraps. Traditional fish tacos use corn or flour tortillas, but in the 21st century, health-conscious trends led to lettuce wrap substitutions as a low-carb, gluten-free, and fresh alternative. This trend grew in California and fitness communities where keto, paleo, and Whole30 diets gained popularity. Paco's fish tacos, if referring to a restaurant or chef, likely adapted to modern diet preferences while keeping traditional flavors. Cultural significance. Mexican coastal cuisine meets modern health trends. Fish tacos are a staple in Mexican coastal cities like Ensenada and Tijuana, where street vendors serve them with cabbage slaw, crema, and fresh salsa. Lettuce wraps reflect California fusion cuisine, adapting Mexican flavors to low-carb and gluten-free diets. Surf and beach culture influence. Baja fish tacos are deeply connected to surf culture, particularly in Southern California and Mexico, where they are a post-surf meal due to their light yet satisfying nature. Lettuce wraps offer a refreshing alternative to heavier tacos, making them perfect for warm weather and beachside dining. And dietary adaptations. Traditional fish tacos often use beer-battered fish and creamy sauces, while lettuce wrap versions focus on grilled fish, fresh veggies, and avocado-based sauces. This aligns with the rise of gluten-free, keto, and Whole30 diets. Market growth for seafood and healthy food trends. The seafood industry is valued at over $100 billion globally, with fish tacos contributing to the demand for sustainable, fresh seafood options. The low-carb and gluten-free market is expected to surpass $14 billion by 2027, driving demand for lettuce-wrapped tacos as a healthier alternative. Cost and accessibility. Traditional fish tacos with tortillas are often cheaper, $3 to $6 each at street vendors or casual restaurants. Lettuce-wrapped versions tend to be priced slightly higher, $5 to $9 per taco, due to the use of premium ingredients like wild-caught fish, organic lettuce, and specialty toppings. Sustainability and ethical sourcing. The demand for sustainable fish like wild-caught cod, mahi-mahi, or halibut is growing, with eco-conscious consumers willing to pay more for responsibly sourced seafood. Lettuce wraps reduce carbohydrate intake but also align with eco-friendly food trends, e.g. fewer processed ingredients, farm-to-table dining. Conclusion. Fish tacos and lettuce wraps represent the fusion of traditional Mexican cuisine with modern health-conscious trends. Rooted in Baja's seafood culture, they have evolved into a low-carb, gluten-free alternative, aligning with fitness, keto, and clean-eating lifestyles. The economic impact is significant, with rising demand for sustainable seafood, healthy dining, and gourmet street food trends. Homemade fish tacos and lettuce wraps, healthy and flavorful. A fresh, light, and low-carb alternative to traditional fish tacos packed with flavor and crunch. Ingredients and recipe. For the fish: 1 pound white fish fillets, mahi-mahi, cod, tilapia, or halibut. 1 tablespoon olive oil or avocado oil. 1 teaspoon chili powder. Cumin. ½ teaspoon garlic powder. Paprika. Salt. Teaspoon black pepper. Juice of 1 lime. For the lettuce wraps: butter lettuce or romaine leaves for wrapping. 1 cup shredded cabbage, purple or green. Cup diced cherry tomatoes, sliced. Cilantro chopped. Crumbled cotija or feta cheese, optional. For the creamy taco sauce: Half cup Greek yogurt or sour cream. Tablespoon mayo for extra creaminess. 1 teaspoon hot sauce, e.g. Cholula or sriracha. Half teaspoon garlic powder. Salt. Prepare the fish. Pat fish dry and cut into 4-inch strips for easy wrapping. In a bowl, mix chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, paprika, salt, and black pepper. Coat the fish with olive oil and lime juice, then rub in the seasoning mix. Let marinate for 10 to 15 minutes while prepping toppings. Cook the fish. Grill. Heat a grill or grill pan over medium-high heat. Cook fish for 3 to 4 minutes per side until flaky. Pan sear. Heat olive oil in a skillet over medium heat and cook fish 3 to 4 minutes per side. Oven baked. Bake at 400 degrees oven 2 for 12 to 15 minutes. Make the creamy taco sauce. In a small bowl, whisk together Greek yogurt, mayo, lime juice, hot sauce, garlic powder, and salt. Assemble the lettuce wraps. Lay butter lettuce or romaine leaves on a plate. Place cooked fish in the center of each leaf. Add toppings: shredded cabbage, cherry tomatoes, avocado, cilantro, and cheese. Drizzle with the creamy taco sauce. Serve and enjoy. Serve with lime wedges and a side of salsa or guacamole. Pair with a refreshing margarita, agua fresca, or sparkling water. Modifications: keto-friendly, skip tomatoes and use full-fat Greek yogurt. Dairy-free, use coconut yogurt instead of Greek yogurt. Add jalapeno slices or more hot sauce. Crunchy option, top with crushed plantain chips or slivered almonds. Final thoughts: fish tacos and lettuce wraps are a fusion of Mexican flavors with a modern, healthy twist. Whether you make them at home or order out, they offer bold, fresh flavors without the carbs. Love learning about the history of food? Want to see more delicious deep dives into culinary culture? Then don't forget to subscribe to Knowledge Void and hit that notification bell so you never miss a bite. If you want to help support the channel and keep these mouth-watering videos coming, consider joining my Patreon. You'll get exclusive content, behind-the-scenes insights, and even more tasty history. Click the link in the description to become a patron today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next delicious episode.